Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you also find video creation super complicated? Especially when you have to find copyright-free material, edit, add sound. Hours later, and you still aren't satisfied with the final product? Well, today I've got an amazing AI tool for you that's perfect for editing newbies. It's almost like it was made just for you. What is Lumen 5? It's like the autopilot of the video world. You simply input your text, and it automatically generates a high-quality video for you without needing any video editing skills. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating. This tool is especially great for those of you who want to create videos quickly and efficiently, even with a busy schedule. You can choose from various templates, make a few small adjustments, and voila, your final product looks like it was made by a professional team. Have you ever felt like pulling your hair out just because you couldn't find the right copyright-free material? Not a problem here. Lumen 5 comes with a huge library of copyright-free images, videos, and background music, completely free to use. No need to worry about copyright issues, and you can save yourself the hassle of scouring multiple platforms to find the right materials. This tool is a lifesaver for creators who are short on time or have a tight budget. No need to learn complicated editing skills or spend money hiring someone to do it for you. In just a few minutes, Lumen 5 helps you finish your project. And it even automatically adds subtitles and voiceovers for you, saving you from having to manually match text with sound. On top of that, Lumen 5 supports multilingual voiceovers, making it super convenient for creators who want to reach an international audience. Whether you're creating videos in Chinese, English, or any other language, Lumen 5's multilingual feature has you covered. You can also pick different voice styles, adjust speed, emotion, and tone to perfectly match your video content. And if you want to release your video in multiple languages, Lumen 5 helps you save time and money on translation costs. Here are a few tips for beginners that can help you make the most of this tool. 1. Start with simple projects, don't jump into complex projects right away. Familiarize yourself with Lumen 5's interface and functions step by step. 2. Try different templates. Lumen 5 offers a huge variety of templates, so find the one that best fits your content. Don't stick to just one style, your audience might find it a bit repetitive. 3. Keep a consistent style for voiceovers and subtitles ***. Once you find a voiceover and subtitle style that fits your brand, stick to it. This helps your audience recognize and remember your content's unique look and feel. To sum it all up, if you're new to editing and want to create high-quality videos quickly, Lumen 5 is hands down the best choice. It simplifies the whole process while ensuring you produce polished, professional content. This tool will help you go from a video editing beginner to a pro in no time. That's all for today's video. I hope this tool will help you on your creative journey. If you have any questions or insights, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.